How to delete JAZZCASH account permanently. I am going to show you how you can easily delete your JAZZCASH account permanently. Via phone, Jazz users dial 4444 from your mobile phone. For other network users, dial 021-111-124-444. Follow the voice prompts to connect with a customer care representative. Inform the representative of your desire to close your JAZZCASH account. You will be asked to verify your identity through a series of questions. Upon successful verification, your account will be deactivated and you will receive a confirmation message. Visiting a Jazz franchise or Mobile Link Microfinance Bank branch, locate and visit the nearest Jazz franchise or Mobile Link Microfinance Bank branch. Request an account closing form from a representative. Fill out the form and submit it along with a copy of your valid CNIC. The representative will verify your information and proceed to close your account. It is necessary to withdraw or transfer all funds from your JAZZCASH account before proceeding with the closure. Via email, you can also request account deletion by emailing the JAZZCASH support team at complaints@jazzcash.com pk. In your email, clearly state your request to close your account, providing the necessary account details for identification.